Tjena! Hello!
Put your hands up in the air, put your hands up in the air.
Idag har jag med mig min kompis Jenna. Och squash. Ja, och squash. Okej, gå och lägg dig. Jag tänkte sminka henne idag. Så jag är osminkad.
A farmer and a teacher, a hooker and a preacher, riding on a midnight bus bound for Mexico. One was headed for vacation, one for higher education, and two of them were searching for lost souls. That driver never ever saw the stop sign, and 18-wheelers can't stop on a dime. There are 3 wooden crosses on the right side of the highway. Why there's not 4 of them, heaven only knows. I guess it's not what you take when you leave this world behind you. It's what you leave behind you when you go. That farmer left to harvest a home and 80 acres, the faith and love for growing things in his young son's heart. And that teacher left her wisdom in the minds of lots of children, and did her best to give them all a better start. And that preacher whispered, "Can't you see the promised land?" as he lay his blood-stained Bible in that hooker's hand. There are 3 wooden crosses on the right side of the highway. Why there's not 4 of them, heaven only knows. I guess it's not what you take when you leave this world behind you. It's what you leave behind you when you go. That's the story that our preacher told last Sunday, as he held that blood-stained Bible up for all of us to see. He said, "Bless the farmer and the teacher and the preacher who gave this Bible to my mama, who read it to me." There are 3 wooden crosses on the right side of the highway. Why there's not 4 of them, now I guess we know. It's not what you take when you leave this world behind you. It's what you leave behind you when you go. There are 3 wooden crosses on the right side of the highway.
Future husband, here's a few things you need to know if you wanna be my one and only, all my life. Take me on a date, I deserve a babe, and don't forget the flowers every anniversary. 'Cause if you treat me right, I'll be the perfect wife. Buying groceries, buying what you need. You got that 9 to 5, but baby so do I. So don't be thinking I'll be home and making up the pies. I never learned to cook, but I can ride a hook. Sing along with me, sing along with me. Hey, you gotta know how to treat me like a lady, even when I'm acting crazy. Tell me everything's alright. Dear future husband, here's a few things you need to know if you wanna be my one and only, all my life. Dear future husband, if you wanna get that special loving, tell me I'm beautiful each and every night. apologize, and maybe then I'll let you try and rock my body right. Even if I was wrong, you know I'm never wrong. Why disagree? Why disagree? Well, you gotta know how to treat me like a lady, even when I'm acting crazy. Tell me everything's alright. Dear future husband, here's a few things you need to know if you wanna be my one and only all my life. Dear future husband, make time for me, don't leave me lonely, and no, we'll never see your family more than mine. I'll be sleeping on the left side of the bed. Open doors for me and you might get some kisses. Don't have a dirty mind, just be a classy guy. Buy me a ring, buy me a ring. You gotta know how to treat.
Jag ser mig om och ser mitt hem försvinna bort. Min tid där hemma känns nu alldeles för kort. Blott ungdom, knappt en man, då plikten kallar mig. Om jag får se mitt hem igen, det vet jag ej. Bland fränder från min by så drog jag ut till strid. Och världen brann för kriget, det kan förgöra en man. Jag ger mitt liv för mitt fosterland. Den vän saknar mig, så ser mig som den, en make, en vän, fader och son, som aldrig kommer hem, men vem sörjer mig.
What's that playing on the radio? Why do I start swaying to and fro? I have never heard that song before, but if I don't hear it anymore, it's still familiar to me, sends a thrill right through me, 'cause those chords remind me of the night that I first fell in love too. Those magic changes, my heart arranges a melody that's never the same, a melody that's calling your name and begs you, please come back to me, please return to me, don't go away again or make them play again the music I wanna hear as once again you whisper in my ear. Oh, my darling,
Det är ju nytt så man kan ta med fingret på det. Så. Ja, det blir jättebra. Ja. Ja, nej, du får en 10 med. Va? Applåd. Slapp jag sminka mig idag? Ja. var väl allt för denna gången. Ses